Rorschach's journal. October 12th, 1985. Dog carcass in alley this morning. Dire tread on burst stomach. This city's afraid of me. I've seen its true face. The streets are extended gutters, and the gutters are full of blood. And when the drains finally scab over, all the vermin will drown. The accumulated filth of all their sex and murder will foam up around their waists. And all the whores and politicians will look up and shout, "Save us." And I'll whisper, "No!" Men get arrested. Dogs get put down.
Watchmen as a novel proposes some interesting ethical questions involving consequentialism and deontology. It leaves the reader questioning morality as well as exactly who is right and wrong. Rorschach, in particular, is an interesting character to examine from an ethical point of view, as he is often dubbed an anti-hero. He serves as an example of an extreme deontological approach to ethics. This approach says the thoughts behind an act are what determine the morality of a decision. It's the thought that counts kind of idea.
Is Rorschach's twisted sense of justice justifiable? As with most philosophical questions, extreme polematic sides of a debate tend to be incorrect. Adrian's extreme consequential view is no better or worse than Rorschach's extreme view on the other end of the spectrum. With a purely deontological ethical view, a character like Rorschach shines. However, a purely deontological view is not flawless. If anything, The Watchmen shows the extreme ends of both sides of the argument via Adrian's calculated murder of millions in New York City and Rorschach's gruesome, ruthless ways. Both views look great on paper, but as The Watchmen shows, reality is much, much more hazy. And the phrase, "it's the thought that counts," might not be so accurate.